that's my life now. Yeah, yeah, living in gratitude. Take a bow every day, every moment, every breath. Living in gratitude, my best. This is how I live, this is who I am. Living in gratitude, yes I can. Everything is better when I'm grateful. Living in gratitude, yeah, yeah, it's beautiful, yeah, yeah. I'm grateful for this journey into gratitude, for learning that appreciation changes everything, for discovering that gratitude is the key to a life I love. I'm living in gratitude.